Hi guys, welcome to the Python MSN YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about most important interview question, like what is the difference between list, tuple, and dictionary. List was tuple and dictionary. So most of the time, people are not able to explain properly regarding these data types. Okay, so how we have to explain in point of interview? So let's say list versus tuple. So list we can define by using square brackets. Inside that we can have heterogeneous values. Heterogeneous means it can hold any kind of data types. Okay, and it will allow nested list as well. So list inside list we can create the nested list. Okay, and this we can able to modify, update the list because it is a mutable data type. Okay, once we define list we can able to update the values, remove the values. Okay, that is the mutability. Okay, and tuple we can define using parentheses. Okay, inside that we can have heterogeneous values same as list, but here it will be immutable. Once we define we cannot able to change throughout our program execution. Okay, even it will allow nested tuples. Okay, tuple inside tuple we can create. And compared to speed, list is slower than tuple because tuple size will be fixed. Tuple size is fixed and list size it will be updated. So reason if we have added any other values it will be updated. Okay, so that is the reason tuple is faster than list. And if I talk about dictionary, how we can define dictionary? By using curly braces we can define the dictionaries. And dictionaries generally we have key value pairs. So when we can use dictionary space while having data mapping, for example name. Okay, name. Okay, and some other data like place, it is mapping with key value pair. Okay, so at the time we can use dictionaries. Even dictionaries also we have inside nested dictionaries we can create. Okay, id like this. Okay, now id, and here if I create any nested dictionary address. Okay, so inside this address I can provide pin code, something like this, street. Like this we can nested dictionaries also we can create. And here dictionaries can be modifiable, we can update the values, we can delete the values. Okay, and the main important point is here key should be unique. Key should be unique. It won't allow any duplicate keys. Okay, it won't allow any duplicate keys, and it won't allow any mutable data types as a keys. For example, we have to use only int, string, and tuple only can be useful to create a keys, to use as a keys. Okay, so this is the dictionary. Now here methods we have in list to modify the values. We have append, l dot append. How it will work means l1 dot append. So it will append the values at end of the list. Okay, it will append the value at end of the list. For example, in this case 1 2 python 4 5. After 4 5 it will append the value whatever we can provide here like this. And there is a method called extend. Here we can extend the existing list with sequence of data like this. Okay, So there are so many other methods in list, like pop. What it will do, pop, it will remove the last item from the list and return the value. Okay, it is very important. So it will remove the last item from the list and it return the value. Okay, in the there are so many methods, remove, okay, count, index, and all. Okay, but while explaining, at least we have to explain basic things whatever we said. In tuple there is no methods like append, extend, remove, pop, and all. Just we have only two methods, count and index. And dictionary, there are ways to create, update the values. There is an update method to update the values. For example, d1 dot update. So here we have to provide a key value pair again. Okay, if I want to provide company something, I can provide the company details here like this. So it will be updated in the form of dictionary. If I print the dictionary, it will come to know. Okay, if I run this one, see, dictionary is updated with company name Google. Okay, so this is the way we can use list, dictionaries, and tuples. Okay, so in point of interview you have to explain all these points. Clear? And regarding list methods and dictionary methods, there are so many interview questions. Most of them are very important. So we will see in the next interview questions YouTube video. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe and share it. Thank you.